KYVE is a protocol that helps to work with data on the blockchain, namely, and it standardizes, validates, and saves data flows. Blockchain stores huge amounts of data. Actually, KYVE will be able to compress this data, and together with KYVE, which will help save this data, you will get a reliable tandem. KYVE ensures the reliability of data, and KYVE helps to save them. When a product launches its incentivized testnet, it kicks off a testing and development period, which essentially allows the people building the product to test how that product would work in a real-life context. The incentivized KYVE testnet will allow our team to test and validate of the KYVE network function and how they can be improved for our community members. Over the next 2 months, the KYVE network will go through several rounds of testing and iteration to make sure we provide the best user experience for our community. Point distribution in KYVE Mission Karelia. Design. Video tutorial, maximum 2 instructional videos on KYVE with 1,500 points per video. Creation of video introduction, maximum 2 intro videos for upcoming KYVE content, 1,500 points per video. Funny content, no more than 5 memes, 150 points per content. Explanatory content, maximum 2 explaining KYVE concepts or features, 500 points per content. Community. Retweet our Twitter posts, 40 points per tweet. Like our Twitter post, 40 points per like. Follows up on Twitter, 100 points. Spin the wheel every 24 hours from 1 to 10 points per spin. Application on Twitter one time for a total of 150 points. Discord request. 1 request every 24 hours, 20 points. Engineering. Voting. Take part in the management of KYVE, 10 points per vote. Staking. Staking KYVE to support protocol nodes, 130 points maximum. Delegation. Help secure the KYVE network by delegating no more than 150 points. In financial the pool, 50 points maximum. Create only bundle nodes, 50 points. Protocol nodes vote right, only give 1 point per vote. KYVE has created special badges to reward users who have contributed to improving KYVE before the Karelia mission began. These badges are like certificates that give value to the user's contribution. Here is a breakdown of the distribution of tokens that will come from the ecosystem. 2% of the 20 million token reward testnet offer, 25% allotted offer for testnet incentive pool up to 5 million tokens, 25% of the allocated supply for pool B up to 5 billion tokens, 50% of the allocated resources for the KYVE incentive testnet will be delegated to top nodes from the top 2,500 or 5,000 up to 10 billion tokens. I hope the information was useful for you.